dear students, have a nice day to you. Myself, Dheeraj Mishra, the computer teacher of your school, appeared with a new video in which I shall explain about the next topic of chapter 2, unit 2 of class 10. Student, the topic is be independent. Here, as I already explained about the meaning of the independence and what are the importance to become the independent. So here we only have to know about the keys factor that will help you to make independent. As students, as we know, our independence will totally based on our own self-awareness, self-regulations and self-motivation. So here we only have to describe about self-awareness. As students, the self-awareness means having clear perception of our personality. Means we should only have to know about our strengths, weakness, thoughts, beliefs, motivations and emotions. It is also very important to know about the other people and their perception about us. Self-awareness means to know well about us. We should have a proper knowledge about our characters, actions and thoughts. Self-awareness gives a good understanding of how others perceive us and how we can adjust our behaviors to deal with them positively. If we know better about our weakness and strength, then we can easily manage us and reach our goals. Having self-awareness allows us to see where our thoughts and emotions are taking us. आपका विचार और आपकी भावना कहां ले जा रही है, ये हम आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. As we develop self-awareness, we can make changes in our thoughts and interpretation. Now next one have to know about the types of self-awareness. There are two types of self-awareness. The first one is the internal and second one is the external. So internal self-awareness means to know our own values. How I am valuable for others. Have to know about our personality, strength and weakness. It shows how we see ourselves and our effect on others. It gives satisfaction in our social and personal relationship. And the second one is the external self-awareness. The external self-awareness refers to know the views of people about us. Means have to know about the views of others. How the people think about us. Because we know it is easy to know about us, but it is too difficult to study the views of others about you. So this awareness is very important to bring changing in us and becoming independent. So after this line, the related topic that is the self-awareness is completed. So see you again in the next video. So have a nice day and thank you.